Hello, my name is Astha Dubey and I'm from Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I did my bachelor's in Khairagarh in painting and master's in MSU in art history. And in Hyde Art, I got the opportunity to display, to showcase my work in front of all of you. And it's a very pleasant experience. And the viewership, even the involvement of viewers in front, the way they discuss artwork with me. And so here, this is my artwork. The title is Charbagh, and I basically, in my artwork, I basically shows and revisit history and redocument it, reinterpret it. So this is, you can see, it's a Charbagh. Charbagh is the plan of Taj Mahal. It's a ground plan of Taj Mahal, and I replaced it with uh, wheat field. So Bagh means basically gardens. So the garden in front of Taj Mahal, traditionally as we originally we seen that there are so many gardens and the lavishness and the greenery in front of Taj Mahal, but I replaced it with the agricultural field. So the point is here that the history is always interdependent and codependent and interlinked, and you cannot separate one part from another. Okay, so you all the reasons and all the aspects when comes together, they make a history. No matter what, if it is a succession or a failure, everything, anything could be. So what are these reasons? So reasons could be anything: the economical, agricultural, socio-political, religious, or so in this work, I highlight the agricultural aspect of history. That without this, without the agricultural aspect, we don't have this. So these both are equally important. And yes, usually we usually forgot about the backstage things, right? जो उनको बना रही है वो चीज़. तो हाँ, so यही मेरा काम है.